Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're installing two lights inside the car. So this one is, instead of being pure overlanding, this one is for your kids. So if you have any young kids and you want to have a little bit more light in the back of your car but without, blinding you, because we're going to have a super bright white light to really light up the back of the car when we're unpacking everything, and we have a red light in the center. And then this one has a color changing light that's going to go right here by your door handles. So let's get these installed, and then I'll do a review and let you know how my kids liked it. Let's get these unboxed. All right, this one is first, the Lexland dome light. Oh, that's good. Oh, this is perfect. The two connectors. All right, now this is the one I'm really excited for. That looks fantastic. So this should be left rear. Okay. Oh, and then this is the piece needed to pry everything open. We're going to start with our passenger side front door, and we're going to have on here the RF for right front. To start off, we're going to just slide this piece in here, and you're going to take your thumb, slide it behind here just like that, and then pull it out, and it just lightly comes out just like that. Real simple, not bad at all. Next, we got to remove this panel, and we're just going to start on the front here, and we're just going to find a spot where we could slide our multi-tool underneath, and we're just slowly prying it up. There's no reason to rush it. There's just some clips on the back, and just like that, it pops up. And then this is the connector that we're going to connect into. In the kit, you have the piece here, but we have to remove the twisty tie, because we have to separate this with the connector here. This is going to be connected right there. But first, we have to go to this little hole that you see right here, and we're going to fish our wire through, straightening it out on the other so that it just glides right through. Go. Now it's going. You're able to see that it just kind of popped out right here. So what was that, 30 seconds? Yeah, that's it. It just clipped right into place. That's fantastic. Next, we're going to take our wiring harness, and I'm going to connect this here. There's a little push tab here. We're going to push that, pull it out, connect, connect, and that's it. So now this is all wired up. That's it. Plug and play, very simple. They do include zip ties, and I'm going to use that to zip tie this all up nice and tight. We're not getting a bunch of rattling or ticking noises or anything like that coming from in here. We're going to take our wire cutters and just clip it off. And then we're just going to take it, push it right back down here into place. Make sure we don't have any wires caught or anything like that. And that's it. Installed. To change the settings, there's a little button right here at the top. So if you just want to flip through the colors, you just press it once. And we're going to switch through a few different colors. And then if you want to switch it a different mode, you hit it 1, 2, 3, and then now it's going to be changing different colors. So now we're on removing the dome light. And since we already bought the new door handle lights, we have our multi-tool that came with those. So that's what we're going to use to pop this down. And you're able to see back here by where the switch is, there's these little indent notches, and it's just enough to take your trim tool, and we're just going to push it in, and you're able to see it pops right out. And just like that. And then inside here, there's two little tabs. We're going to press them in and in. There we go. All right. And then behind here, you'll see right there, is the wiring harness. And we're just going to, there we go, focus. And we're just going to press down on the little clip here and pull out. Step is we have to prep the light. First, we're going to pop off this switch, put that to the side, and then we have to get these little tabs here and pop the back off because we don't need the light or the circuit board. Push out on these little tabs here and pop that off. I'm just taking this and putting it inside that little groove right here and then just pushing it out. There we go. That's it. So we put our wiring harness through there, and then we're going to connect it up. And then as you can see, wiring harness towards the back. We're just going to clip it into place. And then this unit is really nice because it still has the grooves. So if you ever need to pop this unit out, you just use that same multi-tool, pop it out. But it comes with 2 wiring harnesses. It looks like for the Tacoma, that's my 24 Tacoma, it's the one where all the wires are in the same plane. Let's get our light installed. So first, we're gonna plug in the wiring harness. Ooh, that is bright. And then we wanna clip it in to this clip right here to keep everything from rattling around. This is with the Toyota dome light. This is with the new Lexland Gear dome light. And I don't know if the camera is truly picking it up, just how much brighter it is. This is with the red dome light switched on. It's been a few days now and I've been really happy with the lights. The door handle lights add a nice style to it. My son loves it. He loves having the different colors depending on what mood he's in. Does he want red? Does he want blue? Does he want green? You never know, whatever his favorite color is. It's just one of those things that makes the road trip better. You're able to go a few extra hours. We're able to go further down the road. We're able to do more. And I love it. I love being able to do stuff with my family. I hope you do too. The dome light has been fantastic. Just at night, it's so bright, it lights up the entire back seat. I didn't realize how dim the one that came from Toyota was until I installed this one from Lexland Gear. If you want to get a set of your own, go to lexlandgear.com, use promo code SoCal, get 20% off, get a set of your own. If you like content like this, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. I got a few more videos just like this.